is really sleeping around with her sister husband? Are you in my conversation?
I'm not. You talking to me? You ask me what was the best one you get for yourself?
I'll ask you in my conversation.
I could be in your conversation because you're looking at me, brother. Now, yeah, you tell everybody damn stuff who your auntie sleeping with. Hell, I don't know it. I don't know you.
Excuse me.
What?
No, look for his ass till we find him.
I just called him. You work here, right? I just called someone
No,
for some
look for his
help.
ass till we find him.
What's that? This is odd. You know about the printer here?
Huh?
You got the uniform. What the fuck is your problem?
Excuse me?
What is this?
What is my what?
What the fuck is your problem?
Let's know. You calling me your twin, but the twins can't never be this different.
Where did that come from?
What do you mean? How you feel about that?
No, we're not definitely not
No,
twins.
you
I'm
calling
much
me
older than
No,
you.
you calling me twins, but twins are never this different.
Where did that come from?
Where what come from?
Why are you